What is up, YouTube? Today I will be talking about how to bleed your shocks or set them up. Now, the first thing you want to do is have them all off, which on mine, all you gotta do is take this top one off and bottom one right here. I already did the bottom one, but for what I can do, if you guys can see it, I can drop it down off that actually. So I'll leave the lower mount or upper mount, whichever one you can do. Take it off there. Get my shock oil, which is, Team Factory 30 weight oil. I've had this for a while. I like it, but 35 weight was just a little too much for this, so we're gonna try 30 weight. See if I have to get higher weight yet or not. Now this does take a while sometimes, so sorry about this. It does take a little bit to bleed them too. You just gotta keep pumping them up and down till it feels about right. Then what you can do, or what I do, is put this on, tighten it all the way down, then I'll loosen it some to help it be able to let air or the fluid escape. Now you always want to have paper towels on you when you're doing this to help clean up. Now I'll do this a few times with paper towel wrapped around, and there was some, if you can see it, I'll loosen it a little more, then I'll do it again. And that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys tune a little bit, or helped in total. I know a lot of people already knew this, but there are some people new to this, so they might wanted to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.